Magandang gulay to Doc Mel and our classmates. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation of my group's effort in putting together the project and working together to complete this. In this video, I'd like to talk about my role and contribution in the group, as well as my reflection on what I could do better for the project given a chance. The group comes from a diverse background which helped us successfully execute the project well, using our own experiences, expertise, and knowledge to use. During the calls, I tried my own way to facilitate the discussion by breaking the ice, raising some ideas or concepts, challenging everyone, and reminding everyone of our focus and objectives. When we were discussing which of the sustainable goals do we select as our pet project, I tried pushing everyone to decide or narrow down the list since there were 17 goals. Since I reported on social marketing and versus social marketing in the reporting side, I could not help but constantly remind our group mates of our purpose to change behavior, not just awareness. For my part, I also created the social media accounts. I volunteered in this since I've already created pages in the past. So I thought it would be helpful if I will just use my personal accounts in building some of the social media accounts. One of the challenges I realized was that by doing so, there were limitations in sharing of responsibilities. The other disadvantage was that of some of the defaults would tend to identify my account in my location outside of the Philippines and somehow affecting the way algorithm finds our audience. I think we managed to settle this eventually. Some of us managing the accounts from the Philippines and ensuring that the schedule is in place to set up the social media plan. I've also added in Instagram and YouTube accounts, which followed suit and is currently building its own reach. In the preparation of the reporting, I helped in doing a critique in the existing material and the report to ensure that we cover the right content for the report, have a structure and direction in reporting, as well as doing my share of edits in the report. Part of our learnings in this project is primarily working together as a group and helping us establish ideas and concepts for the project as we work together. Targeting children is not as easy as it looks like, but as it is covered by privacy and protection laws, and therefore we need to consider parental consent always. Mobilization is not just contacting and reaching out to different sectors, but preparing a program that helps all the areas and sectors work seamlessly following a program. Hence the importance of keeping track of the developments to ensure that we're able to mitigate any issues or problems. Now, reflecting on the project, what aspects will I change or improve if I'm given the chance to re-implement the project? My answer will mainly focus on the social media and how I can make steps to improve what was implemented. I would wish there was still more time to double the social media effort and promotion by encouraging those who participated, my contacts and my group mates contacts, as well as asking them to set set them to public mode if possible, in order to share the content. And then also the second one is creating social media as a fresh account and not using the existing personal accounts to avoid limitations of privacy and other settings that have been made prior to the campaign. That's all for me. Magandang gulay sa inyong lahat.